how to become a Bigo Live host, go to App Store or Google Play, down Bigo Live, open the app and sign up using your Facebook, Google, Apple ID or phone number. Tap on Me at the bottom right, add profile picture, username and bio. The better your profile look, the more viewers you will attract. On the home screen, tap Go Live, allow camera and microphone permission, choose title and category for your stream, and tap Go Live. As a normal host, you can earn beans when viewers send you gifts. Beans can be converted into real money once you meet the minimum withdrawal amount. And just like that, you are Bigo's live host. No contact, no pressure, just fun and earning. Also, you can add viewers too. Hit like and subscribe for more creator tips. See you in the next one.